got to go to a restaurant where the building landlord has AC maintenance done by another company. They turned the guy's air conditioner off and said it was too moldy. So he asked me if I'd go out there and clean the coil and stuff, obviously because my price is lower. They want to sell them 2 new units, which I probably don't have a problem with because I know the age of these units. But we'll see if old NorCal Dave can go clean this thing up enough to get the AC back going for him, and see if we can get him some cooling in there. This is just wrong. It's already Christmas in here at the homeless depot. Oh, brother. It's off. See, no economizer, just a fresh air intake. Let's see how filthy this thing is. Unscrew. Let's take a look. So moldy they can't run it, huh? Now the pan's crusty. The valve coil's pretty dirty. Half of it is. It's like it had filters down here, but the filter up top was missing. I'll see if we can do a cleanup on it. What do we got up here? Fresh, yeah, the fresh air filter's toast. Let's see if we can get that out of there too. Okay, pulled that top filter holder out from there so we can get in there. And I think this thing will clean up. I mean, it's old and crusty, but I mean, I think we can get it cleaned up to get it by. They can figure out what they want to do. Looks like, mostly looks like that top filter was missing. So I start off with the vacuum going. I got the shop vac cranking. Kind of got those going before I get the water going. I don't see anything that's so moldy or bad where you'd have to turn the AC off. Come on, you guys in the South, chime in on the comments. I know you see a lot worse than this where there's humidity. I mean, the backside of the coil compartment, very normal for a commercial air conditioner as far as I can see. I did get this vacuumed up down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and treat that coil and get that coil cleaned up now and see what happens. A little bit of fuzz broke off. I'll probably have to get some pookie tape. Not foil tape, but the actual pookie tape, the real sticky stuff, and I'll probably seal up around here and a few things. But let's get that coil shined up. I'm gonna use this today, AC Flow Evaporator Coil Cleaner. Came with this hose. You can pull it out, spray your coil, and then rinse it off. Special formula is ready to use without diluting the mix. Woohoo! Let's give it a try. So we'll see how this one works out. It kind of has an ammonia smell to it, but as you can see, it's easy to apply. And we'll get this on there and going real good. And then I'll tune back in with y'all. I got my drain line put back together, all cleaned out. Here's what I came up with so far. Coil's cleaned up, the inside's cleaned up. I gotta grab some filters for this dude. The other side cleaned up good. This is our blower compartment. See, the wheel's not bad at all. Backside of the coil down here was a little crusty, but we got it all cleaned up. Nothing out of the ordinary, you know, dust from the wind and stuff. So we'll gauge up on it with the measure quick and see how it's doing. If it's good, I don't see why the guy can't get going in the fall. I don't see why you can't get till next summer on it. Let's check it out. All right, so I got it all cleaned up. We do got some fin deterioration happening out here. But as long as it's not leaking Freon and we're not getting a overhead condition, I don't see why they couldn't run this. They're going to run it in air conditioning all winter because the store gets hot. They don't use the heat. So I don't see why we can't try and run this thing till next season. That's what I'm saying. Leave me a comment below if see what you guys think. I don't have a problem with that write-up. I just don't know why it couldn't have stayed running with the little cleanup. Couldn't have stayed running for the customer to get him some relief in the store. So leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.